It's Dave with the Bomb Smokes. Today, it's beef short ribs on the Weber Smokey Mountain. So stay tuned. I'm going to be using the Kings for Blue. And I'm also going to be using some hickory wood chunks. And I will be using the water pan. And we want this thing to get up to about 225 to 250. I got these beef short ribs from Fair Value, and I'm going to go wash them and pat them dry. And we'll be back. While my smoker's going out there, I'm going to use some garlic salt and a little bit of pepper. Sprinkle a little bit of this garlic salt on top of it, and a little coarse ground pepper. All right, they're ready for the smoker. Okay, we'll be back in an hour. Alright, it's been about an hour and a half now, and these are still pretty firm, but they're, as you can see, they're starting to pull off the bone. I'm going to spritz these. I have a mixture of apple cider vinegar and Texas Pete, which I like to use, especially on my brisket too. This will help keep them from drying out, and I might do this about every couple hours. And another thing I'm going to do too is I'm going to move these around just to make sure that they get cooked evenly, because you never know. Sometimes there may be a hot spot on one side that may cook a little hotter on one side than the other. So, okay, well, we're going to close this. Leave them on there for about 2 more hours. We don't really want to check it too often. We want the lid to be down. We want to be cooking. Now look at these, folks. See how they're pulling away from the bone? That's what we want. Yeah, I know, Oscar, you can smell that. Well, you're going to get some. I'm going to give you some, buddy. Hey, don't worry, you're going to get some. Yeah? You going to speak? Good boy. Good boy. I pulled these off. Just look at the bark on that one, will you? That's some nice bark on there. And it just pulls apart really well, so I'm pretty sure they're all done. I'm gonna give this a try. Oh, that is good. Salt, pepper, garlic. Isn't that good? Come here, buddy. You want some of that? Oh, boy. That's some good stuff, ain't it? Yeah. Well, that was about a 5-hour cook, and I want to thank you all for stopping by and watching. If you like that recipe, click the thumbs up button, and hit the subscribe button if you like my channel. And I hope you do give this a try. You can do this on a Weber kettle. You can do it on with a slow and sear. You don't have to have a Weber Smokey Mountain. But anyway, I'm going to eat some of those ribs, drink some of this IPA, and we'll see you later. That's good. Peace out, y'all.